You can see this is how much snow accumulated overnight, and of course the clouds falling. See, they're trying to clear up the parking lot, but just so much snow. I've already cleared off the trailers and all that as good as I could. The ABS lights are on. But yeah, this is how I secure the containers. That chain pulling back, that chain pulling forward, so I can't move back and forth, and the strap's holding them down, but so are the chains. But if you want to take a look here, there, the ABS lights are on, but I'm guessing it's been sitting so long and all the snow and cold and whatnot, it's probably triggered the things, because even this one's on. But I'll see if I can't get out of here. I'll probably try and move back a little bit and then just give her, but I'll see if I can't get a video of it. See you in a bit. Okay, let's see if we can get out of here. Might as well lock up the power divider right away. That shit went. They're just wet. So much better for this sort of shit. I don't think people understand how bad it actually was. I think you would have seen it in maybe if I included the dash cam clips, because I mean, like, even if I put my engine brakes on the lowest setting going downhill, I was still spinning. So pretty bad. I think I'm glad I shut down. I don't know, because the thing is, I don't know this road that well, so I don't want to be experimenting and getting stuck, because that's what happened to that other guy. He was going up the hill right behind us, and he spun out, and then the police, not the police, but the commercial vehicle inspectors over here, they forced him to kind of turn around and go down to this pullout that I was on. So anyways, I'm gonna keep climbing some hills here, and day after whatever we loaded yesterday, Saturday.
Continue on Trans-Canada Highway.
Got about 89,000 pounds of cargo. So we're heavy. We're basically maxed out. I actually thought it was going to be a lot worse getting out of that place, but I guess not. Can you tell that she likes working a bit? Good girl. But yeah, we're on our way to Alberta. We're in North Bay, Ontario. Slept 13 hours in the bunk. And of course today was some time zone change. So they moved ahead a little bit ahead. Daylight saving time, but nothing we can do about that. And this girl was thirsty for some oil this morning, so I had probably half a jug of oil to it. But now she's happy again. Good girl. I kind of have a fishy suspicion I might be a little bit heavy on my drives, but and maybe on the bridge too, but I think I'm light on the pubs, so hopefully the DOT won't bother us too much. But it's kind of hard to tell when you're kind of on a little bit of an angle when you're getting loaded on what your weights are, but either way I know the load is roughly 90,000 pounds, which is what I can load, so I might just have a little bit over on two spots, but then I'll be light on another spot. But up here in Canada, usually if you as long as you're under gross, they won't really bother you too much. It's rare that this actually happens. It's just Ontario, it's kind of hard to go find a scale, but in my opinion anyway. But no, we're gonna rock, I'm guessing Nipigon, maybe before Nipigon or something. I definitely want to try and make it as far as I can today. So, and yes, this transmission is such a bitch to shift. Like, she is so fucking big. It's not even funny. But I still love this truck. Anyway, I think I'm gonna let you guys go. Maybe I'll do another time lapse here in the first 10-20 minutes. So I'll see you in a bit. Is that the peace sign or is that the peace dispatcher said Tuesday, Wednesday, so today's Sunday night. So we'll do a couple of kilometers tomorrow, and we'll probably be there Tuesday afternoon, depending on weather and all the other stuff. But just wanted to let you know I should have left earlier, but oh well. I'll show you the load in the morning.